Well, welcome back. My name's Brett. I'm the marketing director at Inertial Sense, and with me I have Tom. Tom is our CEO, and we're gonna be talking about autonomous robotic navigation today and a lot of the business end of it and what goes into solving that problem in the industry today. So thanks for joining me.
Great to be here, Brett.
So, okay, first off, Inertial Sense has had a lot of changes over the last couple of years, and we've really grown as a company and where we've gone. What are you excited about for 2022?
Well, the number one thing that we're doing that we're excited about in 2022 is we are really bringing ourselves to market with several Fortune 500 companies with our Luna autonomous platform. And what that is robotic autonomy as a service for legacy makers of workhorse robotic vehicles. And the value we add to what they're doing is, they make great commercial and industrial vehicles, but they're not great at writing software and firmware. And that's where we come in, we provide the brain, they provide the vehicle. Together we have an autonomous robotic vehicle.
And why would they want to go with a company like us who will be implementing that into their products rather than just building that in-house and using their current resources and
Sure.
buying off the shelf kind of stuff?
Well, like I said, I think the key here is legacy manufacturers. These are multi-billion-dollar global manufacturers, and they're very, very good at what they do. And if they make the robotic vehicle, that's their specialty. In general, though, they're less able to attract the kind of skilled talent to write the software and the firmware. And in some cases, they need someone to really push them from a vision standpoint on what autonomy can be and move very quickly on it, almost independently from what they're doing as a manufacturer. That also requires a very close collaboration with the manufacturer as well. But in general, they've tried it internally and they can't get it done. So their choice is to either have a partner do it for them, or in some cases, they'll go out and acquire someone who's doing it like us.
So if I'm putting myself in the shoes of some of the engineers or product people who are responsible for making this decision of integrating this into their product lines,
right.
I would be concerned about how long it would take. They probably have pretty tight timelines. About how long does it take a typical company to work with us to get their system autonomous?
Well, it's funny you should ask that question, because what they consider a tight timeline to us is forever. Because we're a small startup, we can move quickly, and we tend to move quickly, and everyone's running 1,000 miles an hour all the time. And we often encourage them to step up that timeline, and we can do these things quicker. We can actually get this product to market a lot quicker than you think. Now, I think to sum it up, I'd say that their timelines are rarely the problem. It's more, one of our big value propositions to one of our big proof of concept customers was, we can save you a year on getting to market. Is that valuable to you? If we can get you an autonomous robotic vehicle to market a year quicker, would that be a big deal to you? And they just threw their hands up and they said, that's exactly the calculation that we're making. It's why we're talking to you guys. So,
and that's literally just because we're a smaller company, we're just more agile?
Mostly because, well, it's a combination of having the domain expertise in-house already, having more experience done this than I think any other group on the planet, and also the speed in getting it done. When we did our first proof of concepts, it took us about 4 months. We've got that down to like 4 or 5 weeks now.
Right.
So the ability to very quickly take a customer's vehicle, turn it around, show it basic functionality is a matter of weeks now.